Your old family photo album is essentially a sleeping movie studio, just waiting for someone to flip the switch and bring those frozen moments back to life. Think about that one picture of you as a kid sitting on a porch swing or blowing out birthday candles. With the right tool, that static image does not have to stay still anymore. That is exactly where the world of Vivago AI steps in to change the game for everyone who feels like they missed the boat on technical editing skills. You do not need to be a digital wizard or have a degree in animation to make magic happen here. The whole process starts the moment you land on the website. The layout is clean and simple. It does not feel like you are staring at a complex cockpit of a jet. You are met with three clear paths right on the main dashboard. You can turn text into an image, turn text into a full video, or take an existing image and give it motion. Let us look at that text-to-image feature first because it is the ultimate playground for your thoughts. You type in a description. Maybe you want to see a massive ancient forest with golden sunlight piercing through thick branches. Or maybe you want something more dramatic, like a forest glowing under the orange heat of a sunset fire. The more specific you get, the more the engine rewards you with stunning detail. It feels like commissioning a world-class artist who works at the speed of light. If you have never used it before, the sign-in process is a breeze. You just link up your Google or Yahoo account and you are ready to go. Once you are in, the platform hands you free credits to start your journey immediately. This is not a high-pressure environment designed to trap you into a subscription right away. If you burn through your credits today, they refresh over time. You can go back tomorrow and keep building your portfolio of clips. The real showstopper is the video generation tool. You describe a scene and the system builds a cinematic clip from scratch. But the most emotional part for most people is taking a childhood photo and watching it transition into a current version of yourself through clever animation. It is like watching time move in a way that feels truly impossible. You are essentially bridging the gap between your dusty memories and a living digital reality. There is no steep learning curve here. You do not need to understand code or complex rendering settings. You just type, click, and watch the screen come alive. It is about taking the friction out of creativity. Most people feel intimidated by these tools because they look too corporate or too technical. This platform flips that script entirely. It makes the power of professional-grade animation accessible to anyone with a browser and an idea. You are not just making content. You are exploring the boundaries of how we tell stories. Whether you want to animate a dream or bring a legacy photo to life, the barrier to entry has finally vanished. It is fast, it is free to try, and it puts a creative director in your pocket. You can experiment with different moods, lighting styles, and subjects without ever feeling like you are doing work. It turns the act of creation into a simple conversation between you and the machine. You provide the spark, and the technology provides the fuel. Every single prompt is a new chance to see something that has never existed before. That level of freedom is rare. Usually, tools this powerful are locked behind expensive paywalls or complicated tutorials. Here, the tutorial is basically just your own curiosity. If you can type a sentence, you can make a movie. It is that simple. The interface guides you through every step. It never feels overwhelming. You just follow the prompts and let your mind run wild with the possibilities of what you can build next. Each creation is a step toward mastering a new way of communicating with the world. You are no longer limited by what you can draw or film by hand. Now, you are only limited by how far you are willing to push your own ideas. It is a brand new era for creators everywhere.